Hey, what's up, guys? It's MJ100K, and I am too tired to make a real video today, so I am just going to do a giveaway. And the reason for the giveaway is, boom, I'm up to 242 subscribers. And that is baller status as far as I'm concerned. I really like that. I really appreciate all the new subscribers and the old subscribers. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a little giveaway. The last giveaway I did, I think I made it too complicated and nobody even responded. I was gonna give away some books and have people study for the test and then give them tools, but I guess that's too complicated. So I'm just gonna give away the tools. Oh yeah, so I'm still working on my bathroom. The wainscot boards are up. You see at the bottom. But anyway, I'm still working on that. Back to the giveaway. Yes, so you're about to see the awesome thing that I'm going to give away, and it is not cheap. Even though I've used it, it is still in great shape. Here it is. Oh my gosh, the Bosch drill. They call this one the Freak because it has a 1/2-inch drive anvil at the front, and you can also put bits in it. And guess what? I'm gonna give away some bits too. Oh my gosh, the Bosch bit box is here and it could be yours. Oh my gosh, look at all those bits. Oh, look at them again. They're amazing and beautiful. I haven't even used most of those. And the charger too. Oh my gosh, you are about to be the fanciest mechanic and or contractor in the world. And yes, the cream does rise to the top. So all you have to do for this giveaway is just put in the comments what you're going to do with these tools. I need you to also hit the notification bell because there will be more giveaways in the future, maybe every month or two. I'll just be doing a quick giveaway. And yeah, thanks for subscribing. Thanks to all new subscribers, and have a good one.